Hi, welcome to my channel Buzz with Mohanish. I am Mohanish here and I'm going to take you through my experience of using this really wonderful alternative to ClickUp and Asana and Jira. This project management tool is called as Upbase. I found this tool on a platform called AppSumo. I don't know how many of you visit AppSumo, but AppSumo is a platform where you can look at getting lifetime deals of different SaaS products. So when I got the deal, I got it for about 10,000 Indian rupees, and in that I got a lifetime deal with 10 members. I can invite them as team members. If you purchase this right now online, then you can get like it on a subscription basis, monthly charge, annual charge, and can get discounts on that. Once you sign up for the software and come on it, you see a very easy to understand dashboard. I found it very easy to navigate through this entire dashboard, and I did not have to watch a single video of Upbase tutorial to learn how to use Upbase. It's very easy to understand. On the top left corner, you have this option to create a new workspace. I've already created Mohnish's corner, and this is what you see. You can create any number of workspaces provided that you purchase them. Now, below that, you see schedules, spotlight, my task, reports, etc., bookmarks. What I like the most about Upbase is that it's given this option called as lists. Now, lists for me work as mini workspaces within a larger workspace. So instead of purchasing a new workspace, what I did is I got one workspace and I got created multiple lists under it. So for example, in this, I've created a list called client new. Now in client new, if you come and see, the dashboard suddenly switches from the schedule, which I got this kind of a view. When I go to client new, the view changes, and then I got these different tabs on the top, which works like a menu, or it looks also like an accordion. So under tasks, I've got these different columns which I can add. Say for example, client 3 or 4. And then under each client, I can add separate tasks. For example, in client 2, I want to say payment pending. In payment pending, if I click on it, I can add a lot more details about payment pending. I'll come to this just in a bit. Coming back to the top menu, after task got scheduled, then there is docs. One really cool thing about this is files. So for a lot of people who are working in the service industry, say for example, you're a doctor, or you're a digital marketer, graphic designer, and you want to store different files of your clients, then this project management tools also offers you a free space. And in this free space, of course, you have purchased the subscription. Within the subscription, you've got some space to upload different files and put them into folders. There is another tab called links, which is also very useful. If you see, links and tasks have got a similar UI, except that in links, what you can do is that if you add, say, a group over here, and I name the group as resources 2, and I am, for example, a researcher, and I want to make content which is authentic. So under resources 2, if I click on the plus sign, I can enter a link, say Investopedia, and I want to keep all these links together, and I want to know Investopedia for, say the description is finance content. If I save it, then you see under resources to the Investopedia, even the favicon is sourced, and it's very easy to understand. So you can put in n number of columns, and you can put different links under it. So it becomes very easy for you to get to work. You don't have to sit searching for 100 tabs here and there. Coming to docs, this is also another great feature, that not just you can add a page or a folder which is within a base, you can also embed Google Sheets. It's very easy to embed Google Sheets. Embedding Google Sheets is like you just put the name of the sheet here, and you have to just copy and paste the URL. One thing though you need to ensure is that your Google Sheet is the setting is changed to anyone can edit. Only then you can embed the link over here, and you can start using it. So it's pretty cool. Apart from all these other things I said right now, there is another nice feature called as tags, which helps us to very easily find different tasks, pending tasks, done tasks, etc. Say, for example, I put in a tag called onboarding and I can select a color for it, save. So once I've got this new tag here, I go to second client, payment pending, and I can add a tag over here saying onboarding. So what will happen is the moment I click on onboarding, all the tasks which have got this tag on the task will get listed over here. So again, discovering different tasks based on the tags is also possible, and that makes the work a lot more organized. In another video, I'm going to be exploring a lot more details of this project management tool. Till then, go through this video once again. If you like, please go to upbase.io, or you can click on the link in the description and you can purchase this and try it out for yourself and let me know what you think about this.